Hey there, this is Dan with Learn to Smoke. I'm going to show you how to chop up a chicken wing here. Sometimes when you're at the store, you'll see the chicken wings looking like this. Sometimes they're already cut up for you. Now, just so you know, this wing here consists of 3 different parts. You've got the drumette, got the flat, and the tip. And I'm going to show you how you can just easily chop it up, even save yourself some money, because I know sometimes at the grocery store they'll cost more if they're already cut up into the flats and the drumettes. Usually the tip is a throwaway part. But anyway, I'll show you how to do this at home. Very simple way to save you some money here. So what you want to do first off is I like to feel where the joints connect. And then from there, I take a knife, more of a thicker knife here, and then I chop down, remove that part. And now I got the flat and the drumette left. And so what I'm gonna do is feel between here, kind of feel where those joints connect, like right there. And then I press down, slice that up, and there you go. You've got a flat, you've got a drumette right here. You just do that a bunch of times and there you go. You've got a whole mess of wings for you. Very simple, easy to do, and hope that helps you out. Have a good day.